Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how you can delete Elementor template. First, go back Elementor dashboard and here click on Elementors and here hover on templates, click on save template. Now here you will find all of your saved template. Now if you want to delete all of the template, just click on this box and it will be select all of the item. And if you want to delete just specific template, then you can choose this, like this one. Now click bulk action and move to trash, click apply. Now our saved template deleted. So this is how you can delete Elementor template from Elementor saved template library. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.